We are f***ing back. I have not picked this camera up in a month, and today starts our daily vlog SEMA 2025 Las Vegas series. I'm gonna catch you guys up a little bit. I haven't been posting as much for the last couple of weeks, couple of months. I did buy the new Duramax. I've been loving that content. We're gonna get back to that content. I had a really bad herniated disc that I had to have surgery for about 3 weeks ago. I did not know if I was gonna be able to go to Vegas. Thankfully, after jumping through some hoops, I was able to make it work, and I'm gonna be able to go to Las Vegas for SEMA 2025. My third year in a row, my third year daily vlogging the series, and I could not be more grateful for the opportunity to be able to go, because I didn't think I was gonna be able to go. I'm not gonna harp on that too much. We're just gonna enjoy the experience. I'm just happy to be here. And I love y'all, and I know I need to post more. The goal of the series is to make you guys feel like you're in Vegas with me, and that's what we're gonna do our best to do. As much content as possible. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna stop talking and just start rolling the clips. We're gonna pick up a couple of days ago. I had to drop my luggage off with Sean. I'll see you guys when we get to the airport. Let's get this bread. In Vegas, baby, let's go. We are back for SEMA vlog. We're living the dream. We're in Vegas, we're in the desert. Come check us out in the South Pole. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in 3 or 4 days, man. I'm losing my mind.
Appreciate it. Give me one. Give me one. The all polished Blvd. My favorite truck of the show.
100K on YouTube. That's right. Go ride the strip. Thatwide bow tie. Come on, thatwide tonight. No better way to start the Vegas daily vlog series than back home in Tallahassee with your boy. Sean came through town, he's picking up my luggage. I'm 3 weeks post-op and I can't carry my luggage and stuff through the airports and everything. Sean's driving to Vegas, so he's taking my luggage with him on his way to Vegas. We gotta let him get on the road, but I wanna check out the truck first. Shout out to the boys at Polar Diesel.
Yeah. He scoots. I wish we had a little FIFA on it, a little sleeper, so this nicest one.
New truck.
Fancy on it. Yeah.
What'd you do, 26-16? 24-14?
Yeah, 24-14 on a 35, 16.5s.
The Furies. I ain't gonna be too upset you didn't put KG1s on it. We'll talk about that later though. I ain't gonna be too upset with them about the KG1. When's the next time we'll see the Blvd and the Duramax in a video together though? The fuel glazer out here.
Hey, I got fuels on there too. Just don't worry.
Hey, I ain't mad at it. The fuel license plate to match the fuels. I ain't mad at it, okay?
Stickers, boy.
Bro, nobody cares, bro.
I'm not the rest of it.
They say the wrong name.
I'm not the rest.
They say the wrong name, bro.
Hey,
They say the wrong.
It's all love, bro.
I know, I'm just giving you a hard time. You know I love you. I've seen Peyton's truck up here at the Chipotle that I eat lunch at a lot. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, y'all have seen the Starbucks in my videos a bunch too. This is Peyton. Peyton lives here locally, and I want to throw his Chevy at the beginning of the Vegas vlogs. And when we come back from Vegas in a couple weeks, we'll have to link up. He says they do truck meets around here. I'm getting on 28. Peyton's 18. And I ain't been to a truck meet around here in probably 10, it's probably realistically, it's been 6, 7, 8 years since I've been to a truck meet around here. So when we come back, we're gonna meet up with Peyton and we're gonna go to a truck meet or something. So we need to let Sean get on the road. Sean's got about 28 hours, 30 hours ahead of him.
Don't remind me.
We need to stop talking his ear off. Some of us get to fly out on Saturday and I ain't gotta worry about that, so. Sean, thank you for taking my shit.
I got you, big
Next
dog.
time I see you, we'll be in Vegas.
Hey, it's just like last year, dog.
You're not staying with us this time though.
I know.
Y'all gotta go rewatch the Vegas vlogs from last year. It was fire. We had a great time. I'll see y'all when we get to the airport. I'm not gonna get to drive the truck for like 10 days. Sad day. For reasons I don't want to say, I hate the Tallahassee airport. I'm not gonna say why. I was definitely spoiled in Atlanta, that's for sure.
And to control closely all personal belongings and carry-on items. Thank you for your cooperation.
Man, I hope the camera picked that up. That's hilarious. because the proof is there. I was up at like 3:30 this morning because Vegas is 3 hours behind the East Coast, and we fell back an hour for the time change for the fall. So I was up at like 3:30 this morning, miserable. I've been up for like 4 hours already editing for y'all, but today is the first day officially in Vegas, first full day. I feel like the vibes are good. I ain't got no clothes with me right now. We gotta go find Sean today. We're gonna go to breakfast with the boys, and then we have a full setup day today. And I mean, I can't lift anything, so I feel like I'm just gonna be there pointing fingers, supervising, and filming content for you guys. Day one in Vegas. Let's get this bread. Can y'all see the fit or no? No, we can't see the fit from here. I can't lean or nothing. Look, we're not on the strip yet, but can we just appreciate the view that is Vegas? All the mountains. Being from Florida, all we have is hills out there. We don't get to see mountains too often, you know? Look at this. It's gonna be me next week, flying out. We're Bagel Mania in Vegas. We eat here at least once or twice every time we come. Amazing place. Definitely get here early if you want to eat it. Got a little iced hot chocolate, bacon, egg, and cheese bagel, cheddar bagel. Best way to start the day. I promise as soon as I get back from Vegas, I'm getting back on my diet. Promise. Oh my God. I don't know how to feel about this. I got an iced hot chocolate, right? Iced hot chocolate. I saw her make it. All it is chocolate syrup, water, and milk. So it's just watered down chocolate milk is what you're saying. It's still good, but I'm like, you know how there's certain things as a kid you'd eat because you didn't know what's in it. As soon as you find out you know what's in it, you don't want it no more. It's kind of one of those situations. We eat crazier things as an adult. Let me stop. Jesus.
Good right now.
What'd you just say?
Life is so good right now.
Corey's eating a cupcake for breakfast.
It's so good. Come on in here. Come on in here. Look at that.
Come on in here.
Come on. What the f?
Some heat going on right now.
Bro,
You got some heat going on over here.
if y'all want some, y'all should go
I didn't know they sold diabetes
Go
by
get
the
a dozen
box in
before
there. That's crazy.
It's gonna be crazy to carry around all day.
We grabbed the one with the cream all on top.
Oh, dude, and it's moist.
They do look good though.
Oh, it's so good.
We officially made it. We started many a video on this same balcony last year. Those of you that watched the daily vlogs last year. SEMA 2025. Setup days are the best. Mud Digger. Shout out to Nate. Digger with a D.
You love D.
Holy crap. I haven't seen what the booth is supposed to look like, so this is my first real like look at what the booth is gonna be. Whoa. I don't even know what it's supposed to look like. I don't know where we're walking. This is KG1, right? I would assume all the wheels
it's
right here.
KG1.
Dumb question. You know how this is supposed to be set up?
There'll be screens hanging from each side of the rafters.
What, on
You'll walk in.
this side?
It'd be real similar to Smokey, but not.
Entrance is right there.
Oh, entrance is on that side.
You want to eat here? Or you
Screens in the middle?
Colin down there waiting on the screen to come in.
B-roll, dude. B-roll. 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 What are you doing?
Show them what we're doing. Show them what we're doing. Are you not going to show them what we're doing? Are you even recording right now?
Oh, yeah.
Let me get the
You got some.
cake off my face. Putting the Rector set together again. How do we always end up in this same spot?
We're professionals, that's why.
We?
Well, I mean, someone.
Some of us are
There's a professional out here
Some
somewhere.
of us are, well, I'm a professional. I'm just,
They're out here. We haven't
Yeah.
found them, but they're professionals. That guy on the forklift thing, he's probably professional.
we gotta do the Fury booth and then we're gonna do the KG1 booth. But we've been eating donuts the whole time, so. Not too much work getting done.
Cut to that B-roll.
Cut to that B-roll, the donuts.
Shout out to Pink Box. Whoa. Shout out to all the Pink Boxes out there.
I told Corey he could take the camera whenever he wanted this whole week. So in a bunch of the videos, there's gonna be some random Corey content that I probably won't see until I go edit. That is definitely one of them.
Shout out a lot of really cinematic
shout out to the pink,
shots.
pink
Maybe in the bathroom.
Wild.
You're gonna get a lot of forklift action.
I'm not gonna say I've been working super hard, but I did go look at some trucks outside. So I'm gonna show y'all some clips of some trucks that are rolling around outside. Load-in days are one of the best days because trucks are moving around. You can see stuff in the open. They're not all parked, squeezed up together. And this is bigger than just SEMA. You guys, any shows, meets, anything, if you can get there early and stay late, you can see vehicles moving around. You get way better content. Load-in days and load-out days are some of the best days for best times for content in general. Hey, twin. No. Num num num. What are you working with over here? Ooh. Little cups. Ooh, twin.
It's actually mid, bro.
Is it mid? Oh, let's see. See how bad this pizza is. Better hide your girl when Eric starts dancing. You know what's crazy? Why being so loud back there? Just from how this it feels mid. You ever picked up like cafeteria pizza?
Look at the pepperonis though.
Little pepperoni. I ain't mad at it. It was free, so I'm not gonna complain, you know? What they say on TikTok? Y'all take the first bite. This one's a little bit better. I'm still not happy about it. Complainer. But it just stung. Child abuse over here. We're not complaining today. The pizza's amazing. It was free.
Long time no see.
You know, I love a good full circle moment. You know? Told you we'd be back. It's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see us. It'll be all right. We're picking up luggage. That was at the beginning of this video, so.
True.
Full circle moment.
What?
We're in Vegas with it. We in Vegas with it.
40 hours ago?
That was.
What did I see? Thursday?
That was Thursday at like 12 o'clock. It is Sunday at 1:30. So 3 days.
4:30 back home?
Yeah. About 3 days.
Man.
About 3 days.
Man, it's all one day. They all just blend together now.
This guy just drove from Jacksonville, Florida to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
In the most like jacked up way possible as well, just to give y'all an idea of what this guy's been through in the last 3 days.
We had some complications, but we're here. We're here. We're alive. That's all that matters. It could always be worse. Just gotta look at the positives in life, you know?
Absolutely. No more complaining for us. I just wanted to make sure to throw him in the video before it was done and over with that we did pick up the luggage though. I'm really just sitting here reflecting. You know, it's day one. I mean, it feels like the end of day one. It feels like 6 o'clock. It's really 2 o'clock. I don't know if y'all can see that. A month ago tomorrow, I have my herniated disc surgery. I took a video immediately after the surgery, like 3 hours after, saying all I wanted to do was get to Vegas. Maybe because I felt like that moment would prove the healing was done and I was back. And in a lot of ways I'm back, in a lot of ways I'm not. If I had to put it into percents, I would say I'm 90% of the way there. That last 10% will take months for me to get back. But mentally, I'm a way better person, way stronger person, way more determined person, way more grateful person than I was a month ago. We take a lot of things for granted. Being able to get up and go to the gym, drive to Starbucks in the morning, a lot of these things people may not be able to do. A lot of things we can do, but we take for granted. Shout out Dustin LBZ if he's watching that, he just texted me. But I'm just sitting here overlooking the show, just grateful that I'm here. It's day one, we've got 6 or 7 more days ahead of us. It's gonna be a long journey. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, showing love over the years. It's our 3rd year in SEMA, hopefully many more to come. Thank you to my family at KG1. It's happy to be here. Let's get this bread. Majority of the Fury booth done. We're starting on KG1, 6 o'clock. Definitely made some progress before the end of the night. It's like 9 o'clock. We're getting kicked out, so. And we got chicken wings waiting on us. Yeah. The jet's flying over all day is cool as shit. We got so much to look at tomorrow. Great day, great ending to a good setup day. Day one of the series. Corey, how you feeling right now, brother? Heard that? Loud and clear.
You ever heard saying if you ain't got nothing nice to say, ain't gonna say it?
Corey, you've always got something nice to say. Like it's been a great first day of the vlog series. I'm super excited for the rest of the week. We got 5 or 6 days. We got full show days. We got the strip on Friday night. I'm not doing the desert this year. All these trucks, we're gonna walk around of a bunch of these trucks. I didn't do a bunch of walk arounds in this video because we got so much time left in the week. So if you guys want to see walk arounds, some sneak peeks of some new builds out this year, make sure you guys follow the Instagram. Daily updates on Instagram on my story, normal posts. I got a surprise for y'all real quick before we end the video off. Bro, ain't no motherfucking way Andy G done pulled up with the damn lemon pepper steppers. Lemon pepper chicken wings to end off day one of the vlog series overlooking the convention center in Vegas. Please tell me how it gets any better than that. Please. Somebody in the comments, please tell me how me eating lemon pepper chicken wings in Vegas in front of the convention center at SEMA's. What are you doing right now that's better than this moment right here? That's what I thought. I love y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
This bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.